Nope, this is basically a broken plank. You gotta fix your line. The bending steals all the tension from these targets. Mistake number one is flaring your elbows out. It's a pretty common mistake and is not an optimal position while doing push-ups. What you can do to fix this issue is turn your hands 45 degrees out so that the insides of your elbows are facing forward as you decline on the push-up. Here's a top view of what I'm referring to. What you don't want is this T-looking pattern. Instead, you're going to turn your hands 45 degrees out so that your elbows are pointing forward, and you should be forming an arrow-shaped pattern. Another mistake is allowing for your hips to drop. The reason why this is bad is because over time, you'll start to develop lower back problems. To fix this, contract your abs and squeeze your glutes. The cool thing about this is that these are the same muscles that you're going to need to contract while doing a standard push-up. So whenever you're ready to progress to the standard push-up, your body is already accustomed to this type of stimulus. Allowing for your knees to bend is just as bad as dropping your hips. Eventually, you will start to develop back problems. So always remember to keep those knees locked. Like and subscribe. Thank you.